In this video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos on Google Drive. To get started, open up your Google Drive app. After you open up the app, you can tap on the plus icon first and then create a folder where you can easily upload the pictures or the photos. Name this folder whatever you want and tap on create. Now the folder has been created. Open up the folder and then again tap on the plus icon. And now you'll have an option to upload it directly from your phones. Tap on that and select the picture or the photo that you want to upload. As you can see, I've uploaded a photo. If you want, you can also upload multiple photos at once. Now after the photos have been uploaded, if you want to send or share these photos, you can come back and tap on the three lines on the folder and then tap on share. Now you can enter in the Gmail address of the people that you want to share it to. That's how you can upload photos on Google Drive.